Well, we're in the middle of not even the middle. I don't think it's supposed to hit through the night, but we got some storm action going on out here. Look at that, so you can see my night vision. I'll stick my head out around the corner here. Still here. Sounded like it was ripping hard. Right, it sounded really windy, so. Having some wind. I know it sounds horrible. Like, can you see that shaking? That telephone pole is a shaking. Freaky. It's gonna be a noisy old night. Someone alone in the garden. Look at that. Just look at it. Garden's really ripping. Oh yeah. It is blowing. This is a tropical storm, I guess, but it's really wild.